Is Google business testing every nerve that you've got? Yeah, I get it. It's like 1 minute you're trying to get your biz the go-to spot in town, and the next you're scratching your head wondering why your address is wrong in Google Maps, or why some random reviewer is throwing shade at your reputation. These issues happen all of the time to the best of us, and it can feel like the world is against you. I know, but all of these problems, well, they're actually pretty common. Ready to dive in? I'm Torie Mathis, marketing agency, CEO, digital marketing coach at the Smart Arsenal, and fixer of so many Google business issues. Let's get started. Here are the 10 most common issues, problems, or questions business owners face with Google My Business. The first one is verification issues. Many business owners struggle with the verification process, which is essential for making their business profile live. This can be due to lost verification postcards, delays, or errors in the verification code. So the solution to this: check your email carefully. Sometimes the postcard can take up to 14 days to arrive, so ensure you check your mail thoroughly. Request a new code. If the postcard hasn't arrived, you can log into your Google profile to request a new verification code. You can also contact Google support. If repeated attempts fail, use the Google Business Help Center to help contact support for assistance. I will put the link below for you. The next problem is duplicate listings. Finding or accidentally creating duplicate listings for the same business location can confuse customers, negatively impact search rankings, and get your profile suspended. Merging or removing duplicates is a common concern. So here's your solution. Identify the duplicates. Search for your business on Google to find any duplicate profiles. Then you want to claim and merge them. If you find duplicates, claim them by following the verification process, then request to merge them through the Google Business Support profile page. I'll put that link down below. Delete them if necessary. If a duplicate listing is unverified, you can suggest an edit and remove it directly from Google Maps. The next one is incorrect business information. Maintaining accurate business information like your hours, your address, and your phone number is crucial. Owners often encounter issues updating their information, leading to potential customer confusion. So here's your solution. Log on to your profile, go to your business profile, and edit your information. Click Edit Profile and click the pencil icon next to the information you wish to update. Save changes. After making your edits, be sure to click Save to save changes. Changes can take a day or two to show up under some circumstances. Ownership conflicts is the next one. Sometimes a business profile is claimed by someone else, leading to owner disputes. Resolving these conflicts and gaining rightful access to manage the profile is a frequent challenge. Your solution? Request ownership. If the profile is claimed by someone else, you can request ownership by clicking Request Access and filling out the form. Google will then contact the current owner and you'll be notified of the outcome. Review management. Dealing with negative reviews or fraudulent reviews is a significant concern. Business owners frequently seek advice on how to respond to reviews or how to remove ones that violate Google policies. Your solution? Respond to your reviews. You want to log into your profile and go to the reviews section to respond to reviews professionally. There you can flag any inappropriate reviews. Missing reviews. If you find reviews are missing, contact Google support to get your reviews reinstated. This is a problem that even I experience, and I walk through how to manage your reviews in this video. Problems with Google Map integration. Issues with incorrect map pins or location information can make it really hard for customers to find the physical location of your business. Sean had this problem with Miles Through Time where the incorrect address kept showing up. The solution? Correct your location. In your Google Business profile, go to the Edit Profile section. Click on Locations and Areas, and then Business Location, and then use the map to precisely position the marker. You can also report map issues. If there's a problem with Google Maps itself, you can use the Report a Problem feature in Google Maps to notify Google. This is what Sean did, and then he ended up having to make a video for Google to prove his business location. It took a little bit of work to work it out, but it was much better than his other option, which was starting over, which would have had him lose all of his reviews. I made this mistake when we moved across states. I created a new business listing and I lost all of my reviews going back to 2007. Don't do what I did. Do what you can to keep your listing and make adjustments instead of starting from scratch when you can. Next is access and permissions. Understanding how to grant, manage, or revoke access to other users, like for your office manager or a marketing agency, can be confusing, especially with the nuances of different permission levels. We do this all the time for our clients. We create the listing for them or claim their business for them, and then get everything all set up, and then we hand the listing over to them as the primary owner. Now, your solution is to manage users. In your Google profile, click the 3 dots menu and go to Business Profile Settings. Then go to People and Access. This is where you can add or remove users or change their access levels. You can also invite new users. Click on the Add Users and enter their email address to grant access. Improving the visibility and ranking of a business profile in search results is a common goal. Business owners often question why their profiles aren't appearing for relevant searches, and rightfully so. So your solution is to optimize your profile. You want to ensure that your profile is complete with accurate business information, photos, and regular updates. Go to your profile and go through every single section. It should not take you more than 10 minutes, but it will be well worth it. You also want to collect reviews. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave positive reviews, as reviews are a ranking factor that will increase your profile's visibility. You want to keep your profile fresh by posting updates, photos, and products. I have a full video on more details on how to optimize your profile, and you can watch that one right here. The next one is service area and category confusion. For service-based businesses or those without a physical storefront, setting up service areas and choosing the correct business categories can be a little bit tricky. This also includes understanding how to best represent your business to appear for the right searches. Your solution? Set or edit your service area. You want to click Edit Profile, click on the Locations tab, and then click the edit pencil icon at the service area to edit your service areas. Choose the right categories. Click About, and then go to Business Categories. Select the primary category that best describes your business. You can also add additional categories to capture the full scope of your business services. And then there's the curveball that nobody wants to catch, a suspended profile. Suspended profile. So you put in all the work on your Google business profile and it's looking pretty sharp. And then out of nowhere, bam, your profile is suspended. It's like being benched in the middle of a big game and you're left wondering, what the heck went wrong? A lot of times you don't know exactly what happened or how to get it back. Dealing with a suspended profile can be super frustrating. Maybe it's because of a minor oversight or something completely out of your control, or it might just be a random mistake, but the impact, it's huge. Your visibility takes a nosedive and it feels like you're shouting into the void. Hello, Google profile, where are you? Trying to get noticed by customers who can't find you anymore. But here is the good news. It's not the end of the road. Getting your profile back and up and running is totally doable. It's about understanding why Google threw the penalty flag and then making it right and getting the moves to get back in the game. Now, I have a video that is dedicated to this problem and you can watch it right here. As always, if you have any issues on any of these, you have a few options. First, you can drop a comment right here and I will do my best to help you out. Next, you can hop over to the Google Help community where other Google pros can offer you some advice. I'll put the link for that down below. Or if you'd prefer, you can contact Google support or set up an appointment with a Google advisor. I'll put all of those links in the description for you. Now, once you get your profile squared away, how about we get you some reviews on Google and all across the web? I have a free review boosting bootcamp that is happening right now. You can join for free and get the step-by-step, easy-peasy instructions on how to properly get your business set up for reviews, how to get more reviews, and even how to deal with negative reviews. You also get a ton of done-for-you templates and scripts, tools to automate your review process, and I am giving you a professionally designed review landing page that will get you more reviews today. You can join for free at toriemathis.com/get more reviews, and I can't wait to see you there.